Hello everyone and welcome to another video of BeidPrep. In this video I will show you how to create multiple washers and connector automatically. So you can see here we have a wing section. It has a skin in green color. It has many web spars, a rib, and it has many holes for rivets or bolts. I think it's rivets. So, and also the holes are not true holes or clear holes because they have chamfers. So it will be quite challenging for the mid-surface engine, and we will start from actually making the mid-surface out of this body. You can see also I have made slight changes in the user interface of the mid-surface panel. So we will select the skin and extract the mid-surface. As I said, because there are so many holes and these holes have chamfers, it might take some time, between 10 to 12 seconds. It should be finished. Yeah, here we go. So it finished. I will just hide the, let me change its color. Okay, and no, I don't like this one. This one, and I will hide it, and we will go for the next component. Let's pick this one, also extract the mid surface, and this one also, and extract the mid surface. Okay, we're done. Let's also change their color, and I want to isolate only these mid-surface parts. So let's first mesh the smaller components. I will click the 2D mesh. I will not change any parameters. I will create it. Same one here. Okay, accept, and now we will go and do washers on the skin. So you can see here we have many holes. I will go to the geometry, washer panel. I will make sure that I am the multiple mode, not single. Pick the actual body, and this will be the diameter of holes it will be looking for in order to create the washer and the padding of the actual washer. Scan, and it has found 325 holes that can be made a washer for them. I can also, if I want, left click and remove some of them or get some of them back. Let's say, I don't know, let's leave it like that. So now we have 320 holes out of 325, and we will click apply. It also will take several seconds to create because this is a CAD operation, and it quite resourceful. I think it's also about 10 seconds. Okay, it's done. You can see now the washers are created. Here are the holes that we didn't want to make washers on them. I will close this panel. I will go to mesh, 2D mesh. Now I will just change it to quad dominated mesh because I want to show you what happens when you mesh the washer faces. Okay, click mesh. It will take also several seconds. And we are done. Let's close this one. I want to also hide the surfaces, and you can see here that this color is too dark. Let's make it brighter. But you can see that the mesh around the holes where the washers are is very structured. It is very important for stresses, as you probably know, and you can see that these holes is where we didn't pick washers to be created, and obviously the mesh here is standard, quite standard. Okay, so we have our mesh, we have our washers. Now let's turn on the other components and create the connectors. So we will go to model, a bolted rivet connector, and I want to select our three mid-surface bodies. We have here a discovery options, so it will look for holes between 2 millimeters up to 30 millimeters in diameter, and there are many different options. I will not change anything here. Also, we have here the spider and the shank. I will make it RB2 for the spider, RB3 for the shank, but you can also choose it to be a beam or spring or whatever 1D element you want. Okay, so we want to discover, and you can see it have found all of these holes in here and here, and also at the bottom. And yeah, I also can click on the on these holes and remove them from the creation or get them back. And sorry, my mouse got stuck a little bit. Never mind. So you can see here in the list also the washers, the connectors that we do not want to be created are not selected, and you also can see the information which type of connector it is. It is an M6 diameter, how many holes per connector, etc. We will generate the elements, and we can close this panel. Sorry. And let's observe what it has been created. So you can see at each and every one of the holes we have a spider with some shank, and it connects to the bottom side. Yeah, and we have here these three, I think, and there was maybe another one that I wanted to miss. I don't remember where it is, but yeah, you can see that it did not created spiders and connector here at all, only where we asked him to do it. And also you can see that we have two components, one with spiders. We also can hide them, but one with the shanks. How many elements are here? Obviously we can go into the constraints. We have for each element, for each RB2 element, we have the the card that we can change its properties. Obviously we can we have also the sets, so this is ready to export to the open radius solver. Okay, so as I said in this video, I have demonstrated how to create multiple washers and multiple connectors at quite a small amount of time and automatically. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and look up for new videos that will come soon.